on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're in LA because we're doing something. I don't really think it's spooky. It's kind of spooky. It's kind of spooky. So we're at this place and it's called Shook, Twisted Prides of Horror, or Twisted Pride of Horrors. And this is by Murder House Productions, and I think it's just like a pop-up, really fun. I mean, I don't know, okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I just buy tickets to things, and then I don't really do my research because I just want to experience it and be surprised along with you guys. But I know that this has a lot to do with, you know, celebration of pride and horror movies, and you know, those two things go hand in hand.
Yes, they do.
So, I'm really excited to check it out.
It looks like fun.
Yeah, it's popping in there. So we might be talking over the music because it is copyrighted. So if we're doing a lot of talking, sorry, but I don't know, let's go check it out. Let's go see. Let's get shook. Okay, already I love the sign. Straights beware. We have no problem here, Arl.
No problem.
I like how we have this line set up here. Pretty intense. So this experience is a little bit more intense than I thought. So it includes strobe lights, loud sounds, dark environments, tight spaces, fog effects, water effects, and intense visual images. I didn't think it was gonna be like that. I don't know, I'm kind of nervous now.
I think this might actually be pretty scary.
Well, I don't know. Also, the lighting is making you look a little sinister. Do a sinister.
I wish I knew how to do a sinister face.
Look a little down. Oh yeah. All right, guys, we're going in. Oh, so he says we have to read this. Are you ready, Arl?
Yeah.
If it's in a word or in a look, you can't get rid of the Babadook. If you're really a clever one and you know what it is to see, then you can make friends with a special one, a friend of you and me. His name is Mr. Babadook, and this is his book. Oh, there he is. Rumble, rumble, Badook, dook, dook. A rumbling sound and then 3 sharp knocks, Babadook, dook, dook. That's when you'll know when he's around. You'll see him if you look. This is what he wears on top. He's funny, don't you think? See him in a room at night, and you won't sleep a wink. Oh, there he is. I'll soon take off my funny disguise. I can't read it. Take heed of what you read, and once you see what's underneath, you're going to wish you were dead. For those who think that this... Oh... Oh, woo! That got me. Whoa. Whoa. Does that open too?
No. I don't want to like force it. It doesn't open.
Oh. How freaky. Going outside now. So this is a good little photo op right here. Uh-oh. Ooh. Yikes. Oh, gosh. Ooh, that was incredible.
That was really good.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so basically, that was like the first maze we went through of the year.
Yeah.
And that was like a Halloween Horror Nights quality maze, not Scary Farm quality.
They did a great job with that.
I really want to go again, but there was a long line.
Yeah.
But damn, that was so good.
That first Babadook thing, I did not expect it.
No, I got quite a few jump scares. So, Murder House Productions, fantastic job. Thank you guys so much for putting this out. It was really a good taste of Halloween in June.
Yeah.
And thank you for celebrating Pride Month.
It's a good start to the Halloween season.
Yes, it is kind of late. We are going to head out. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. We really appreciate it. Please consider subscribing. I post a video every Tuesday. A like is always appreciated. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Happy Pride Month.